up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge here for your GameStop's weekly update. So this week, looks like GameStop is down to 158 from a high of the week at 189. Not so good news for us long holders. Let's get into the news that I found. So, big headline. GameStop investor Melvin Capital lost 49% of its investment in the first quarter. Boston. Melvin Capital, the hedge fund at the center of GameStop trading frenzy, lost 49% on its investments during the first 3 months of 2021. A person familiar with the matter said on Friday. The fund, founded by Gabe Plotkin, lost 7% in March alone, the source added, speaking on the condition of anonymity. A Melvin Capital spokesman declined to comment. Good, fuck him. More news. GameStop's Cohen to be chairman, cementing sway, stock rises. Excellent. GameStop Corp climbed after saying it intends to elect Ryan Cohen as the next chairman, cementing the activist investors' influence in the video game retailer. Curtis Wolf resigned effective April 5th, GameStop said in a filing on Thursday. The company said the resignation did not result from a disagreement over operations, policies, or practices. More news. This is from Investors Business Daily. They said, it's game over for the Reddit GameStop short squeeze rebellion. It was fun while it lasted, but it's looking like game over for the Reddit-powered short squeeze rebellion on GameStop and even some S&P 500 stocks. All 10 of the most shorted S&P 1500 stocks on March 15th, and the real estate firm Tanger Factory Outlet and GeoCorp, plus consumer discretionary play GameStop, are down since then, says Investors Business Daily analysis of the data from the S&P Global Market Intelligence and MarketSmith. Some lost more than a quarter of their value. The most shorted stocks are falling even while the rest of the market is surging to new highs. 10 most shorted stocks on March 15th are down an average of 12.3%, and yet during that time, the S&P 500 is up 3.2% and are hitting records, even GameStop stock. The Reddit Revolution poster child down more than 22% from March 15th, and the stock dropped 4% Thursday to 170.24. Tomas Diago, replying to the Roaring Kitty, aka Deep Fucking Value, buy the dip, hodl, GameStop, GME remains a buy, smart score 7 out of 10, based on explainable AI technology, which analyzes more than 900 fundamental, technical, and sentiment indicators every day to rate stocks. Awesome news. Love this. Every time. Enjoying the weekend, wanting it to be Monday so you can check your stocks. I agree 100%. All right, I will link all these stories in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back next week with more updates on GME.